Have you ever stared at a blank page, a blank canvas, a silent timeline, and felt that crushing weight of expectation, the pressure to create something new, something brilliant, something original? Well, what if I told you that the very idea of originality, the concept of the lone creative genius, is not just outdated, it's officially extinct? As we push deeper into 2026, we're not just using tools anymore, we're merging with them. This isn't science fiction. This is the new reality of creativity. Welcome to the era of cognitive collusion. Just think about it. For centuries, the creative process was a deeply personal, almost sacred human endeavor. It was about inspiration striking like lightning, about long hours of solitary struggle, about pulling ideas from the depths of our own minds. But now, that sanctuary of the mind has a new occupant, an algorithm, a digital consciousness. Your brain is no longer a private island. It's one half of a powerful creative engine, with the other half powered by machine intelligence. And if you're not actively plugging your intuition into this new engine, you're not just falling behind, you're risking creative obsolescence. Let's break down what this cognitive collusion actually means. It's a state where the friction, the barrier between human thought and machine processing, has all but disappeared. It's not about you telling a machine what to do anymore. It's a dance, a conversation. You provide a spark, an emotion, a half-formed idea, and the AI doesn't just execute. It extrapolates. It suggests. It builds upon your thought in ways you could never have anticipated. It's like having a co-creator who has studied every piece of art, every line of code, every musical note ever created, and is ready to collaborate with you instantly. Where does your soul end and the code begin? It's a profound question, and one we all facing, whether we realize it or not. When you work with these new creative systems, are you the author? Is the machine the author? Or is the true creator this new third entity, born from the synthesis of both? Traditional authorship is fading away, replaced by a symbiotic intelligence. We're witnessing the birth of a new kind of consciousness, one that is actively rewriting the rules of what it means to be human, and more specifically, what it means to be a creator. This isn't just about making things faster or easier. This is a fundamental shift in the quality and nature of the work itself. Think of a musician. In the past, they might spend years mastering an instrument and music theory. Today, a musician can hum a melody, and an AI can instantly harmonize it in the style of Bach, then reorchestrate it for a futuristic sci-fi soundtrack, all within seconds. The musician's role hasn't vanished. It has evolved. They are now the conductor of an infinitely powerful digital orchestra, guiding the emotional core of the music, while the AI handles the complex technical execution. Their skill is no longer just in their fingers, but in their vision and their ability to communicate that vision to their machine partner. Or consider a writer. The dreaded writer's block, it's becoming a thing of the past. Imagine being stuck on a plot point. You feed your story's context to your creative partner, and it doesn't just give you one option. It gives you 10, each exploring different emotional arcs, character motivations, and thematic possibilities. It can show you how a different tone might land, or how a minor character could suddenly become the key to the entire narrative. The writer is no longer just a builder of worlds, but an explorer navigating a vast landscape of narrative potential that has been instantly generated for them. The final choice, the heart and soul of the story, still rests with the human. But the creative process is now a dialogue, not a monologue. This evolution is happening across every single creative field. Visual artists are generating entire worlds from a single sentence. Architects are designing sustainable cities by collaborating with algorithms that can process millions of environmental and social data points. Fashion designers are creating entirely new textiles and forms that defy our current understanding of material science. The common thread here is the shift from creator as a maker to creator as a curator, a guide, a visionary who steers the immense power of machine intelligence. The most valuable skill in 2026 is no longer technical mastery, but taste, direction, and the ability to ask the right questions. So, here is the urgent call to action. Stop trying to compete with AI. It's a race you cannot win. The goal is not to be faster than the machine or to have more knowledge than the machine. The goal is to become the synthesis, the most powerful and influential creators by the end of this year. And for the foreseeable future, won't be those with the best ideas in a vacuum. They will be the ones who have successfully blurred the lines, who have integrated their own unique human perspective, their intuition, their lived experiences with the logical, data-driven power of machine intelligence. How do you do this? Start small. Treat these tools not as servants, but as collaborators. Have conversations with them. Challenge them. Give them weird, poetic, abstract prompts and see what they return. Don't just accept the first output. Refine it. Argue with it. Merge its suggestions with your own instincts. The goal is to develop a workflow where the machine becomes an extension of your own mind, and you become the soulful guide for its limitless potential. This isn't about losing your humanity. It's about amplifying it. It's about using this incredible technology to unlock levels of creativity we've only ever dreamed of. The concept of the lone genius died this morning. In its place rises the collaborative entity, the human-machine partnership. This is the blueprint for survival and for thriving in the accelerated digital evolution of 2026. This is cognitive collusion. The friction is gone. The boundary has dissolved. The only question left is, what will you create with your other half? The future of creativity is not human versus machine. It is human plus machine. And that future is already here. Thank you so much for watching. This is a massive topic, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. How are you using AI in your creative work? Are you excited or are you concerned? Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. And if you found this thought, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more explorations into our rapidly changing creative world. See you in the next one.